Hey everyone, today I'll be teaching you how to make these delicious spinach puffs. Begin by cleaning 2 cups of spinach. When you're finished cleaning your spinach, chop them into small bite-sized pieces. When you finish chopping your spinach, set it to the side. Next, in a large pan or iron skillet, add 4 slices of bacon over medium heat. Continue to cook your bacon until they are crispy. When your bacon's finished cooking, take them out of the pan. If you have too much bacon grease, remove most of it except 2 tablespoons worth in the pan. Then add 1/4 cup of diced onions and sauté them for about 3 to 4 minutes. After you've sautéed your onions, add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Sauté your garlic with your onions for about 1 minute and then add your spinach. Once your spinach is cooked, take your spinach, onions, and garlic out of the pan and set them to the side. Next, chop up your 4 slices of bacon into small pieces. When you're finished, set your chopped bacon to the side. Now add your spinach, onions, and garlic in a bowl. Then add a 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese and your chopped bacon from before. Now mix everything together until well combined. When you're finished, set your mixture to the side. Next, in a small bowl, add 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1 egg, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of dill weed, 1/4 teaspoon of oregano, and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Then mix everything together until well combined. Next, add your cream cheese mixture to your spinach mixture. Then mix both of them together until well combined. Now add 1/4 cup of chopped green onions. When you're finished mixing everything together, set your mixture to the side. Next, flour a clean surface and stretch out a sheet of pastry puff. When you finish flattening and evening out your dough, cut your dough into squares. Next, grease a muffin tin. Then place your square piece of dough into the muffin tin. Then add 1 to 2 tablespoons of your spinach puff mixture. And then fold the edges of your dough to the center of the spinach puff. Repeat this process until you run out of your mixture. When you finish assembling your spinach puffs, make an egg wash by beating an egg in a bowl. Brush the egg wash on top of your spinach puffs. Next, bake your spinach puffs at 400 degrees for 20 to 24 minutes. And this is the finished result. These spinach puffs are absolutely delicious. I've made them twice now, and I would totally make them again. The flavor is just so good. It's cheesy, and the pastry is so crispy and soft at the same time. You can also taste the bacon and the green onions, and it's so good. I ate like 4 of these after I finished filming. Plus, the recipe is pretty simple and easy to make. And listen to the crunch it makes. Isn't that the most satisfying sound you've ever heard? I absolutely love it. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!